Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby here, man, for Pip Syndicate. I just want to go over a trade that we took Thursday. Okay, we took a couple of trades Thursday, and I want to show you this indicator and why we took the trade and how simple this is if you want to trade NAS100. I mean, I always focus on NAS100. I also trade gold, US 30, GU, but I try to focus on NAS100 unless there's really nothing going on with it. So anyway, we can see here. I went live at 1:30, and as soon as I turned the computer on and went live, this trade has set up. You see the way it crossed over to 9 EMA, and we entered right around here. Okay, you can see it went up. It went up here. It was like almost 40 pips, and it started stalling out. So I took profit. I took 75%. I announced it on the stream. Guys, I'm gonna put the link. You can check out the trade. It's better if you see it like on the live stream. I had the recording on the channel. I'll put the link below this video. It was kind of cool the way it played out, because we were kind of like following it all the way up, man. It was awesome. So you can see it just kept going, man. So finally, I got out up around here somewhere, and then we entered another buy here. I don't know if it was here. I got to look at the video myself, but it's all on the video. When I was streaming, and I took it for another 30 pips, man. It was freaking cool, man. I really made a nice day's pay that day. But I want to show you the indicators we're using now. Okay, these are just free indicators, man, that I found on TradingView, man. What I was doing, I was looking for a 9 EMA. Let me pull it down here. Okay. Let me type it in here. So you see which one it is. Let me put SMA. See, I want to make sure I give you guys the right one. No, it ain't gonna work. How you like this? All right, this is it here. Let me see, who's that from? It's M. Phillips. Okay, M. Phillips. 756 people using it. All right, I was just looking for an EMA. I just put this on. I didn't know it was going to give me signals. I put this on. I was messing around during like Christmas break. I didn't trade for like a month. I took off for Christmas and New Year's. I took a few weeks off, but I threw this on the chart and I was messing around with it, man. I was surprised how accurate it is. Now I wouldn't take a trade just based on these signals, but you see here it was down by a level that we were looking at, and it gave me the signal, so we jumped in. Okay, we're using that. We're using a fair value gap indicator. It doesn't really matter which one. The one I'm using right now is from Nephew Sam. It's fair value gap, Nephew Sam. And I'm using Fluid Trades SMC Lite. Okay, that's a paid indicator, but I'm just using the free version. I'm not an affiliate or anything. But I like it because it marks out all the supply and demand zones, and it does a pretty good job, man. So it's really handy. And that's actually what was here. There was a demand zone here. But when we took the trade. So we jumped there, we took it up. We took it up for 100 pips, then we took it for another 30. So I'll link it below, guys. But, the way this works is once this breaks the 9, it gives you a signal, usually, not always. And if you backtest this, throw this on your chart and backtest it, man. Look where it puts you in on this sell. And you wait, you don't get out. My rule is, once it breaks the 9, okay, you could get out there. I wait for the next candle. If the next candle breaks the high, like if the next candle here broke this wick, I would have closed. If I was in this trade. I wasn't in this trade, but I'm just saying that'd be my rule. I'll wait for the next candle. If it breaks this wick, I'm out. And my other rule is if I have two losses, I'm out. Obviously, you're not going to win every trade, no matter what style you trade. But if you look at where this is putting you in these trades, I mean, it puts you in right here, and this does not repaint. This indicator does not repaint. Okay, but I don't take it just to take it. Okay, it has to be coming off a support or a resistance or a supply or demand, whatever you want to call it. All right, guys. So I just want to show you that I'm going to be going live. I'm supposed to go live today's Sunday, right? It's the 21st. I was supposed to go live tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to go live tomorrow because I can't go. I'm going to be going live at 1:30 from now on, Monday to Thursday. And I want you, if you guys get a chance, man, come in and trade with us, man. Like I said, we trade NAS. If there's nothing going on, if you see something setting up, put it in the chat. We'll check it out. We have a good time trading, man. There's only a few of us here, so I think there's only 8 subscribers. We're a brand new channel, and it's a shame, man. I had 12 wins in a row right before the break, and I think I was the only one in the room. But anyway, man, it is what it is. But yeah. So we trade NAS every day, or at least we look at NAS every day. If there's no trade, obviously we don't trade. But this indicator kind of surprised me, man. I didn't know. I was, like I said, I was just looking for the EMAs or the SMAs, and it turned out to be a nice little indicator, man. Especially if you use it, if you add your own rules to it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna link the video from Thursday if you want to check it out, man. It was pretty cool. And give me a like and subscribe, man. And come trade with us, man. You won't go wrong, man. We'll show you how easy it is to win with NAS, man. This is so simple. Your grandmother could do it. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we'll see you, man. We'll see you in lives. Thanks, man. Peace. God bless, guys. Thank you.